Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will know more about Bruce Willis and how he spent his $1,000,000. Bruce Willis is an American actor, producer and musician. He is best known for his performance as John McClane in the Die Hard series of movies. He has been in the acting career since the 1980s when he got a leading role in the series Moonlight. He has appeared in over 70 films ever since. Full name Walter Bruce Willis, nickname Bruce Willis. Profession, he is actor and musician. Born date is 19th of March 1955, 66 years as on 2021. Birthplaces, Idar Abastian, West Germany. Religion, Christian. Zodiac sign, Pisces. Nationality, American. Height 6 feet, weight 93 kilograms. Eye color grey, hair color grey. Father name David Willis and mother name is Marlene Willis. Siblings Florence, David and Robert Willis. School name Penns Grove High School. College name Montclair State University. Let's talk about his personal life. Bruce claims that his favorite all-the-time actors are Robert De Niro and John Wayne. Bruce is left-handed. In November of 1987, Bruce married Demi Moore. Together they gave birth to 3 daughters, Rumor, Scout and Tola. Due to unknown factors, the couple announced the separation in 1998 and an inevitable divorce in 2000. Despite the divorce, he has maintained friendship with Demi and Ashley Kutcher, her husband. Willis was once involved with actress Brooke Burns for 10 months before they broke up. In 2009, he married model Emma Hemming. Together they have 2 daughters, Mabel and Evelyn. Bruce was once a Lutheran church member but later withdrew, stating organized religions are a dying form which are no longer needed. Let's talk about his awards and achievements. Bruce Willis is one of the most accomplished actors in Hollywood. As a result, he has won plethora awards. His most notable awards are Primetime Emmy Awards for Outstanding Actor in Drama Series Moonlight. He has won a Golden Globe Award and the People's Choice Award for Favorite Actor in a New TV Series and for Favorite Motion Picture in a New TV Series. He has 2 Blockbuster Entertainment Awards for Favorite Actor. Let's talk about his net worth. Bruce Willis has amassed a huge net worth throughout his acting career. Bruce has a net worth that is estimated to be $300 million as of 2021. He has amassed his huge wealth through his acting career. Bruce is considered to be one of the top paid actors in Hollywood. He has a salary which stretches up to $17 million. The film Live Free or Die Hard raked Bruce a salary amounting up to $25 million. Car collection. The car collection of Bruce Willis is quite large. Bruce Willis owns few of the best luxury cars in the world. The car brands owned by Bruce Willis include Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Alfa Romeo and Bentley. About his house. Bruce Willis resides in Los Angeles, California, US. Bruce Willis bought his luxury home in the year 2007. The estimated value of this real estate property is around $17.6 million. He also owns different real estate properties across the world. Bruce Willis is a real role model whose good traits can be imitated. He is hardworking and focused and has proved to us that when someone sets his mind into doing something and then stays true to his course is likely to become successful. He dropped out of college in order to follow his passion and finally he made it big in Bollywood. Thanks for watching our video. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel.